If you are watching this video, I have a very simple request for you today. When I look at the analytics of my YouTube channel, it's showing me that 93% of you watching these videos or watching this particular video are not subscribed to this YouTube channel. Yes, you probably have not subscribed to this YouTube channel. What this means is that only 7% people watching my videos are actually subscribed to this YouTube channel, and for that I am forever grateful. If you are not subscribed, I actually get it. It might not be something on your mind when you come on YouTube. You want to get the content that you came for. So I am actually aware that this is not something that you might be thinking about, which is why I am creating this video and I want to speak to you directly. I want to remind you and request you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And so I am here to ask you one favor today. I want to request you to consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. If you have watched any of my videos in the past and enjoyed it, consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. If this is the first video you are seeing from me, I want to welcome you to my channel, and I know it's a very big ask to actually request that you subscribe to my channel. I want you to trust me on this because I have planned great content for you going forward, content that will add value to your life or to your business. And over time, I'll also expand the content offerings that you'll be getting from this YouTube channel. Still content that will continue adding value to your life and also helping you when it comes to your business. What I'm basically saying is that I would want to grow this community and I want you to be part of it. And it would mean a lot to me if you can take a minute right now to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.